Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Amazon home finds I've purchased for my home recently. I have found some beautiful home decor, furniture pieces, pet products, DIY supplies, organization essentials, and cleaning tools. So I'll have all of these items linked down below in the description box. You guys can check them out as well. But it's currently Amazon Prime Big Deal Days happening right now from October 7th to 8th. So a lot of these items are on sale and a lot more all over Amazon. So if you're looking for some big ticket items or just small essentials, definitely check out all the deals. I will be linking all of the best deals and curating all my favorite pieces over on my storefront. So definitely check that out if you're looking for the best deals, great home finds, and some pieces from around my home. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, starting with something everyone can use around their home, it's gonna make your life so much easier. This electric scrubber. This is amazing. I can't believe it took me this long to purchase this. I've seen many people talk about this. If you want to deep scrub your shower, bathroom, literally anything around your home, this will do the trick. It even has an extendable wand, so you're not on your hands and knees scrubbing. You can do it all on your feet, reach high and low, and it really does the job. So you press the power button, you can recharge it, and it comes with an entire bag of different size scrubbers. So these different scrubbing heads allow you to get into different areas and really clean your entire space. I mean, I've never enjoyed cleaning the shower, but this definitely makes it fun, enjoyable, and quick. As soon as this came in the mail, I unboxed it and started cleaning the shower right away. So it just makes cleaning fun and quick. Now, if you're looking for some unique wall art around your home that's not just a print or painting, you have to check out this bronze plaque. This is so pretty. I've been eyeing it on Amazon and finally purchased it, and I think it's so beautiful in person. I love that it has a 3D element. The floral design is very pretty. It has a hook on the back so you can just hook it onto your wall, and it's such a great piece for small, narrow walls where you just want to create a little moment. I think the color is stunning and it definitely looks a lot more expensive than it is. I love the oval design. It's just something a bit unexpected, and this finish works so well in our home. So even in a bathroom or even adding it to a gallery wall, it just adds this really pretty unique touch. Now, if you have cats, you definitely need to check out this cat litter cabinet. This is something that I installed in our laundry room to solve our problem of having litter out in the open. We wanted it tucked away so you couldn't smell it, you couldn't see it when you walked by, but it was definitely accessible to our cats. So we have 2 cats, and this cabinet fits 2 large litter boxes. So I love that it doesn't look like a pet product, but it definitely functions as one. It has a little opening in the front where the cats can walk through, and they have that cardboard in the middle where they can scratch at. It kind of catches the litter, and they can choose which section they want to walk into that leads them into their little litter box cabinet. Now we can open the doors from the front and scoop from the front. This piece is actually listed as a media unit. It came with legs that go on the bottom that actually bring the height of the piece up, and it actually came with different hardware. I swapped out the hardware and took out the legs and just put an upholstered cushion top on and turned it into a bench. So you can really create your own look out of it. You can use it as a cabinet around your home, a media unit, or a bench like I did. Now, I also found those cabinet knobs on Amazon as well. These are beautiful unlacquered brass knobs. I love the style of these. These are definitely looking a lot like something that you'd see at Rejuvenation for a lot more. They're heavy, so they feel like great quality. I've actually installed these on our entryway console table and this cat cabinet as well. So we're really tying together the big brass knob look around the house, and I think it's such a beautiful touch. This definitely elevates any cabinet, and if you're looking for affordable brass hardware, this is definitely a great find. These came in a box of I think 10, and they do have different styles as well if you're looking for pulls or different types of knobs, but this one is definitely my favorite. I love that classic sphere shape. It really gives you a ton of elegance around your home. Another great purchase off of Amazon, this simple basket. This is what I'm calling my mail basket because it's the perfect size that can hold flyers, magazines, envelopes, and we have a ton of mail come in, and I just love to slip it in the basket and sort through it later. And this kind of hides the look of that papery mess that you see piled up on countertops. This has solved the problem. So we just hang it on our pegs that we have installed in our laundry room. If you have any hooks or a front closet, you can definitely do the same. But this kind of hides the look of the messy mail. We have been loving just a designated spot for mail, and this is the perfect basket for that. Now, I recently purchased a runner for our laundry room and I love it. I've been getting so many compliments on it. It's the perfect runner for a room with heavy, high traffic because it's a dark brown color and it doesn't have a high pile to it, so it's very easy to vacuum. It doesn't really hold on to dirt. It's thin, it comes with the full grip on the back so it stays in place, and we've been loving the way it looks. The color palette of it is so stunning. Brown is definitely on trend right now, and it also ties in the blues, greens, ivories, and mauves that I really love using in my home. So it's the perfect rug. It's from the Amber Lewis and Laloy collection in the color Earth Natural. So it comes in different colors as well, but this brown is just perfect for this season. Now, if you have a big move coming up or you love to rearrange your home, including cabinets and couches and coffee tables and heavy items, you need this moving set. This comes with 4 sets of these wheels, so you can slip these under any heavy item on each corner and wheel it around your house. Now, the way to get this platform of wheels underneath your heavy item is by using this wedge. This kind of slips underneath your furniture piece. The wheels help slide it up, and then you can slide your wheels underneath. This makes moving so much easier and way more enjoyable. So we use this to get our big heavy laundry unit in place. It had to come quite a long ways into the house, so this was the easiest way to move it and get it into place. I also use this to move all of the furniture around my home, including cabinets and sofas and coffee tables. That way you're not sliding furniture, scratching your floors, or hurting yourself in any way. So save yourself the pain, trust me, and get these wheels. Now, if you're someone that likes to take evening baths or showers, you definitely need to try this shower lamp. It's dim, it's 100% waterproof. You can slide it into your shower, on your niche, on the floor, on a little ledge, or prop it up on the edge of your bathtub. And it just creates a beautiful dim setting in your bathroom. So instead of having all of your bright lights on, it just kind of sets this relaxing tone in the bathroom. And I think this is such a beautiful way of lighting up your shower. They come in different color edges. I think this one's called khaki. It's just really neutral. But they have shower lamps in different sizes and shapes, but just check whatever would fit in your space. This could also just be a very casual night light as well around your home. This has made showering and having baths at night so enjoyable. It's just something I had to add to the list. Now, if you're redoing any flooring around your home, you might be thinking about which floor vents you want to choose. If you have floor vent heating and cooling around your home, this is for you. So we opted for this inset vent that you can tile into, so it creates more of a seamless look across your floor. You can integrate your tile pattern, you can integrate your flooring material into this vent, and it just makes for a more elevated look. So you can definitely go with regular floor vents or a matching colored floor vent, but if you have a design that you want to continue throughout your space, think about getting inset vents that you can bring your pattern into. It just has this little panel in the middle that you can put the tiling or flooring into and grout it or finish it like you would the rest of your flooring. So it does create just a little bit more of that seamless look that I think elevates every single space. Now, rub and buff is something that I think every home could use as well. If your hinges on your doors don't match your doorknobs or they're looking a little dingy, you can refinish these metal pieces around your home using rub and buff. That gives you a realistic metallic look. I find the best place to find it is Amazon. There's so many different packs that you can get. For example, this is what it looks like on paper. So I tried out the gold leaf beside the antique gold just to see the difference. And it has that beautiful realistic look to it. I find rub and buff to be very useful, especially if you like to thrift shop, because you can kind of reimagine pieces pretty quickly. You can refinish frames around mirrors and get that beautiful antique brass look just by using rub and buff. So it's an affordable, quick DIY way of getting a brand new look to items that you may already have. Now, a quick way to create vertical, slim storage around your home in a very simple way is by using wood peg hooks. I use these across a long wall in our laundry room right behind the door because we didn't have enough space to put any kind of storage piece in there. So I installed 20 peg hooks across this wall, and we have so much hanging storage now. I pre-drilled holes into a 1x4 and then just screwed in the peg hooks. They're super secure. You can paint them, you can stain them, you can leave them as is. They are such a timeless and simple look to create beautiful hanging storage around your home. So if you're not looking for something too modern or too shiny, this would be such a perfect choice. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on items that you should look for around your home over on Amazon. There's so many incredible pieces that can better your home on a budget. So I'll leave all of the links to this video down below in the description box so you guys can shop as well. Also, I want to thank you so much for all of the kindness over on my latest video, the laundry room makeover. That was a huge project. It actually took weeks to come together. So much planning was involved, and I love the way it turned out. If you're looking for some laundry room ideas, definitely check out that whole renovation video. There's so many tips and tricks throughout the entire video, but you guys are so kind. I appreciate all your support, and I love sharing these projects with you. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!